In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Payhip affiliate program. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, and it's where you'll manage everything related to your products, sales, and promotion tools. Before moving forward, make sure you're signed in to the correct Payhip account so you're setting up the affiliate program for the right store. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the marketing section. This is where Payhip keeps the tools that help you grow your audience and increase sales. The reason we're going here is simple. Affiliate programs are part of your marketing strategy since they allow other people to promote your products in exchange for a commission. Go ahead and click on Marketing. When you open this section, you'll see options related to promoting your store and reaching more potential customers. If you're new to Payhip, it's helpful to think of this area as the place where you set up systems that help bring in traffic and sales without having to do every part manually yourself. From there, click on Affiliates. This is the section where you can create and manage your affiliate program inside Payhip. Once you're in the affiliates area, you'll be able to start configuring how affiliates can work with your store and promote your products. This setup is useful if you want creators, influencers, bloggers, or even existing customers to share your product links and help drive sales. In return, they earn a commission based on the settings you apply in your affiliate program. That can be a great way to expand your reach while only paying for actual results. As you work through this area, take a moment to review the available settings carefully. Even though getting to the affiliates section is quick, the choices you make there can affect how attractive your program is to potential partners. A competitive commission and a clear understanding of how your program works can make a big difference in whether people decide to promote your products. And that's the basic path to create your Payhip affiliate program. Start at the dashboard, open the marketing section, and then go into affiliates. From there, you'll be in the right place to continue setting up and managing your affiliate strategy inside Payhip. If you're following along, move slowly and make sure each section loads fully before clicking into the next one. That will help you avoid confusion and make the process smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with your Payhip affiliate program.